Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another day of Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, May 4th. Hope you guys had a wonderful upcoming weekend here. Now, today we don't got a lot of data coming in. We have basically just the factory orders, but later in the week will be more of the important ones we'll be looking at. So Wednesday we'll have the ADP numbers coming out, and Thursday will be the jobless claims, as well as Friday will be the numbers that the Bureau of Labor Statistics provides us. Today, however, we got the factory orders for the month of March. So February was kind of a disappointing at 0.2%. Increase in factory orders, but the month of March was supposed to pick up at 2.4, and it came up pretty close in line with the projections at 2.1. So close enough there. Stock market's up again. It's taking its cue from Friday. Basically, it's not so much the data driven or even earnings. A lot of it is kind of even taking its cue from expected stimulus packages to be coming in from Europe as well as Asia. So investors kind of looking at those, which is kind of giving them a little bit more ease at trying to equity markets are kind of taking advantage of those, the free excess of money, so to speak. Bond markets were basically at the same where we left off on Friday. We're at the 101.14, so there's no change in interest rates today from where we left off on Friday. On that note, also to touch base, as we had discussed, this week we'll talk about our Investor Advantage, new program that APM had rolled out on Monday, or actually on Friday. We'll get our pricing today, but what I really love about this, I've been clamoring for a program just like this for a long time. Basically, it's similar to commercial loans, is that we're looking at the cash flow of the property for basically the qualification so much. They'll have a 620 minimum FICO, but again, they're looking at the DTI base of the cash flow of the properties, how they're basically doing this. Doesn't matter how many finance properties you have, we don't care. Unlike Fannie and Freddie Mac, you're kind of stuck with 10 finance properties and more restrictions after 4 finance properties. We don't care how many finance properties you have. With this investor per borrower, they can have up to 10 properties with this special program. The maximum loan amount is $1 million. What else is there? Cash outs are okay. Cash out refinance are okay. So if you want to take money out of one investment property and buy another investment property, that's okay on there. Again, they don't really look at the bank statements. The only time they may look at the bank statements is for Schedule E for information on the properties. What they're looking at is this is a program for seasoned investors. So what they're looking for is somebody who's had at least some experience with 2 properties at least over the last 3 years, been running properties. So that way, it's not good for somebody who's just jumping into it. Somebody who has a little bit of seasoning, has some experience in real estate investing and managing these properties and stuff. So excellent program on this. I'm really looking forward to it. I've told a few investor friends of mine, and basically they're rewriting their programs. And also, this is not a hard money loan. So just in case you are concerned maybe about fees and stuff like that, this is not a hard money loan. So much less in terms of fees and costs behind this loan. We're a direct lender, so the same type of fees that we would that you would pay with a direct lender are applicable. It's not the 4% range. We will be a little bit higher than that. I will be upfront about that, but it's not going to be the higher cost of what you might find on a hard money loan. So this is a great alternative to the conventional financing. So anyways, you guys have questions, want to know more information about it, please contact me through my profile. Love to be able to discuss it a little bit further with you. Have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching. We look forward to see you guys tomorrow. Take care.